Welcome to my channel. So on this video I will explain about how you can create a creative presentation using AI, right? So first you need to go for the Google and search Gemini, and then the first results will come as a Gemini AI, right? So you need to log into your Gemini AI interface, right, like this. So on next step we have to choose which kind of presentation you need to be created. So for that you need to select a file, right? So this feature is newly enabled for the Gemini AI, right? On here you need to click the plus icon, right? So you can see the conversation interface on there, right? And then you need to click the plus icon, right? After you click, you need to select the file you need to be converted to the presentation, right? So it has several tasks that you can do with the new interface. So on here you need to upload file from your the folder view or any directory in your computer. You need to be select the file. So I will select one of my project proposals that I create for my academic activities. So yeah, I'm selecting one of them, right? So the this feature will come with new model called Gemini 3 model, right? So and then we need to be type on the interface called create presentation using this provided document, or you can mention it that create presentation reference this document, right? And then it take a few minutes to create your presentation, right? So the creative presentation for you, right? So it will take a few minutes. Let's wait. So currently I'm using 2.5 flash model, so you can change that one to the even 3.0. Now you can see it is analyzing one document. It will take a few minutes to create your presentation. Now you can see it generating a slide on your right side, right? So it's say ready in a few minutes, so you have to be wait patiently. In this model it totally analyze your document, right? And then gathering some information from your document, and it will create a creative presentation from provided your content, right? And it will add some images and some highlight point, even referring from the internet also. And the specialty is this one is it even can be imported to Google Slides, right? Not as a PDF, you can just directly can import it into the Google Slides. So you can do any modification from there also, right? Even if you need to do some modification from here, you need to give the prompt on there, right? So now you can see it has generated the expected presentation on here. Now even some images spaces that we are need to add some images, so you can add those spaces for the images, but you can see uh, the presentation well organized, well prepared, and well structured, right? No need to take time to create a presentation and get stress creating presentations, right? So you can see uh, it has selected better theme for your presentations, and well organize the data, and the summaries, concept things, and every features integrated on here. So in here you can directly download this one or export to the Google Slide, right? And then you can see it down left, open in Google Slide, and you can it open in the Google slide, and then you can do the modification. So right now you can see the open slide. Even you can share this one with your friends, right? So here you can see the open window with the Google slide, right? So if you have any questions or regarding any concerns of this creating presentation, you can comment on here, right? So I will meet with the new video in the next upload.